Today's cryptic crossword clue is roughly sub-zero for temperature in windswept tundra. And I love the surface of this clue because it's so coherent. The tundra is a very windy place and it's extremely cold. So this just reads so cleanly while being a cryptic clue at the same time. I love it. It's also got something kind of interesting going on. The most straightforward part of this clue is windswept tundra, which is just telling us to anagram tundra. If something is windswept, it's just completely blown down by wind. So we've got this word tundra and it's windswept. Its pieces will blow all over the place. They will move. They will not end up in the same order that they started in because they're windswept. We need to anagram tundra. And tundra is 6 letters and our answer is 6 letters long. So you might be tempted to just think that's the end of the wordplay. Anagram tundra, get a 6-letter answer. That'll work. But the problem with that is that means the definition would be roughly sub-zero for temperature. It's a bit of a weird definition. Maybe there's a 6-letter word that means a temperature of roughly sub-zero. I don't know. That seems unlikely. And then the other thing is that if you anagram tundra, you don't get a word that could possibly mean that anyway. So we need to shorten our definition and add more stuff into the wordplay. So here the definition is actually roughly. We'll need a 6-letter word that means roughly. And sub-zero for temperature in is part of our wordplay, and it's telling us to sub-zero for temperature in tundra after it's been anagrammed. And zero in cryptic crossword clues is very commonly representing the letter O because of their visual similarities. You see 0, you can swap in an O. And for temperature, you can swap in a T because T is a legitimate abbreviation of the word temperature. And so here we're being told to substitute 0 in for the T in tundra before we anagram it. We take the T out of tundra, we put an O in its place, and we anagram it. We can get the word around another word for roughly.